Hi guys, we're going to talk about numerology now. Numerology is the science of the numbers. Like you know, everything is connected with numbers. Everything in this world is numbers. When you're born, you have your numbers. And that numbers is very important even in astrology, especially in numerology, because numerology is even more scientific and accurate than astrology. Astrology is just one part that goes in numerology. And numerology, it's everything in this world. This is because in many religions we're seeing that the world is an illusion. It's Maya in Hinduism. So, because they think it is like an illusion, some scientists even claim that this is just like a simulation, just like projection. And this is why it's important, the numbers. Because you know the movie Matrix, you know the codes in the computer, it's all numbers. And this is how we got computers working on the internet. It's 0 and 1s, 0 and 1s. It's all with the numbers. And like the computer games are working, this is how actually this world is working. There's going to be huge, enormous truth for you to handle it. But if you're going in the research, you will see that this works absolutely fine. Because many things, many situations in this life, they're connected with numbers. So numbers are very important. We're going to short the numbers until between 1 and 9, and every number has some significance. If your number is bigger than 10, then you can add those two numbers. Like if you're born in 14, you can add 1 and 4, and then you will make single digit number, which is 5. So your number of birth is 5. And that's actually your life path number. When you're born, it's very important. And you need to measure all your numbers to find that number, which is you, when you're born. Like you're born of 5th of May 2005, let's say. So you got 5, and then you got another 5, which is 10, and then you got 2, which is 12, and then you got 5, you got 17. 1 plus 7, that's 8. So your life path number is going to be 8. And 8 is the money number. So you have affiliation to have a lot of money. The money will come to you very easily, but also you can spend all that money. So you will have no money, because 8 is like continuation, you know, ups and downs. And that's why you got all those things. Number 1, if you're life path 1, then you're a leader. You want to lead, you like your independence, you're very much into masculine energy. If you're number 2, then you're in feminine energy, which is emotions. You're ruled by emotions in your life. If you're number 3, you're the communicator. You talk a lot. A lot of famous people, hosts, and on the podcasts, people in movies, in television, news, they are actually number 3 because they are very good in communicating. 3 is the number of the child, so male, female, and then the child. And of course, the child is asking all those questions. What about this? What about that? What about this? What about that? And number 4 is a structure and discipline. So you have to have structure and discipline to succeed in life, and you have to go to work all the time with the system. If you try to do something illegal, police will catch you. That's number 4. Number 5 is they're very good looking, women or male, and they like to travel. They will travel so much. Stewardesses, something with finance, real estate, want to travel a lot, different places, travel agencies and stuff. If you're number 6, you're a family person. You already have or will have in the future kids, families, a lot of kids. Maybe even a lot of wives, a lot of men with a lot of different kids. If you're number 7, you like to learn a lot because you're the thinker, you're the teacher, you're into mysteries. You like to research. If you're number 8, like I said, is the money, think. And number 9, you're closing all this circle. Number 9, you're all in one. You're closing all this circle from 1 to 9. 9 have also bad karma because they need to close all of that circles. See you with other videos. Thank you for watching.